Hey there everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got something really cool and super easy to show you. We're making zucchini noodles with an amazing pistachio sauce. Not only is it incredibly fun, but it's also a fantastic low-carb option for those looking to keep their meals healthy and light. And guess what? There's no cooking involved. It's as simple as it gets, yet the results are delightful. So, if you're ready for a kitchen adventure that's easy and healthy, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, let's wash our zucchinis. Then we chop off the ends. Pretty simple, right? Now here comes the fun part. I'm using this nifty gadget called a vegetable spiralizer. You can find these in pretty much any kitchen store, and they're not expensive at all. Watch this. You just find the center of the zucchini, start turning and push it into the spiralizer, and there they come. These gorgeous curly zucchini noodles spiraling out like a beautiful green cascade. It's so satisfying to watch. Each turn transforms the zucchini into these perfect ribbon-like strands. It's like watching a flower bloom right before your eyes, isn't it? A simple twist, and we've got ourselves a bowl full of stunning fresh veggie noodles. Check out this leftover core from the spiralizing. Kinda looks like a mushroom, doesn't it? It's a great idea to add this leftover core into the blender when we make our pistachio sauce. Now, let's transfer these lovely noodles into a colander. We'll sprinkle them with some salt, give them a nice stir, and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step is key to drawing out the extra moisture, ensuring our noodles come out perfectly tender without any sogginess. Patience here pays off with the perfect texture for our dish. While our noodles are doing their thing in the colander, let's get cracking on that pistachio sauce. I love the combo of pistachio with zucchini noodles, but of course, you're free to use any sauce that tickles your fancy. However, I strongly recommend giving this one a try. So what we'll do is shell about half a cup of pistachios and toss them into the blender. We're adding a good drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese to enrich the flavor, and here's a neat little trick. Squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice. This helps prevent oxidation and keeps our sauce looking as vibrant as it tastes. Now, let's blend it all together until the sauce becomes nice and smooth. The transformation from raw pistachios to this creamy, dreamy sauce is just wonderful to see. Now it looks like our zucchini noodles are all set. What I do next is gently pat them dry. This step is crucial to ensure we don't end up with a watery plate. Now comes the fun part. Plating. I like to twirl the noodles into these adorable little nests and arrange them thoughtfully on the plate. You can either spread them around as a delightful side dish or let them take the spotlight as the main attraction. It's all about presentation. Think of your plate as a canvas and these noodle nests as your art. The way they gracefully sit, each twirl and swirl adds a touch of elegance to your meal. And here's where we add the magic. Let's generously drizzle that rich, nutty pistachio sauce all over our beautifully arranged noodles. Watch as it cascades over each nest, adding depth and flavor. To top it all off, I place a baby tomato on each pile. It's like a cardinal bird on top of the nest, adding a vibrant pop of color. This is your moment to be as creative as you like with the garnishing. Maybe sprinkle some herbs or add a twist of lemon zest for extra flair. The possibilities are endless. And there, we have our dish. Zucchini noodles with pistachio sauce. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? And the taste is just as good. Fresh, nutty, and so satisfying. Thanks for hanging hanging out with me in the kitchen today. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more fun recipes. Happy cooking, and catch you next time.